Hello everyone! Despite the significant growth of the GameFi sector and crypto games, this area still faces a number of challenges, mainly related to unstable economies and the lack of long-term growth in gaming tokens. Very often, users lose interest in a game as soon as its token starts to lose value, and the economy turns into a model where the main income depends not on the quality of the game, but on the number of bots playing it. One of the key problems with most crypto games is that players are not actually interested in the gameplay and try to automate the whole process using bots to collect as many rewards as possible. As a result, the game's economy suffers first, and then the token begins to be used only for speculation. This quickly leads to the game fading out and losing almost all of its user base. However, there are still some projects where the in-game economy is implemented very well. In those games, we can be confident that the token won't plummet in value and our earnings won't be affected by massive farming operations run by other users. In this video, I'd like to talk about one such platform. It's called Axie, a provider of real-time games such as checkers, chess, tic-tac-toe, and many others. The platform's main mission is to allow users to earn based on their actual gaming skills, not by using bots or scripts. To achieve this, Axie has excluded all farming-style games. The platform only features PvP games where our personal skill and experience really matter. This means we'll be competing directly with other players, using our own tokens to form the prize pool. In such a setup, the main profit goes not to all players, but to one winner, the one who outperformed the rest with their skills. To make this clearer, let's take chess as an example. To join a game, both players must deposit an equal amount in tokens. Then, when one of the players wins, they take the entire prize pool and can start a new match for more rewards. As you can see, this model is very hard to automate. The rewards aren't given for basic in-game actions like in other games, but for actual skill. Still, there may be another issue: players using cheats or AI to pick optimal moves. Axie is prepared for that too. The team has developed its own AI that can analyze game sessions and detect cheaters. Considering all this, we can already say that Axie has a truly sustainable economic model. It doesn't let users simply extract profits and devalue the token. By the way, the team has released its own token called Axie. It's the main reward asset that we'll use to enter games and win prizes. The token can also be used for staking and participating in many other activities regularly launched on the platform. That's why we'll need the Axie token to interact with the platform, and you can already buy it now. Currently, Axie is in its pre-sale phase, and you can purchase the token on the official website. I've left the link in the video description for your convenience. On the homepage, you'll immediately see the token sale panel. The sale has multiple phases, with the token price increasing gradually. Right now, it's still the initial phase, so we can buy Axie at a relatively low price, giving us an advantage over future investors and possibly letting us resell it more profitably after listings. Another important point is the high utility of the token. Since it's required to play games, the community will naturally want to buy and hold Axie, especially at early stages. Because of this, there's a high probability that Axie will continue growing even after listings, allowing us to benefit long-term. As for buying the token, it's simple. Just connect your wallet to the platform and ensure you have a balance in Ethereum, Matic, or BNB. Next, enter the purchase amount and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Right after that, you'll receive 25% of your total Axie amount, and the rest will unlock gradually over the next 3 months. You can always visit the official Axie website to learn more about the token and explore the platform's available games. As a reminder, all the links are in the video description. Be sure to check them out and explore Axie's economic model, and follow project updates so you don't miss the launch of the first PvP games. Personally, I find the concept of this platform very well thought out. It features fair reward distribution, anti-cheat mechanisms, and real token utility in the gaming ecosystem. And to make sure you don't miss my future reviews and tutorials, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.